All right, let's also, viewers, tell you plethora of reactions coming in that we just heard. Mr. Salve there speaking about his thoughts. Let's also go across to Hindu Mahasabha's counsel, Anup Bose, who's joining us. Mr. Bose, do you think it was another twist and turn, another delaying tactic that we saw play out in the top court of the country today?
I do not think so, because the matter had been fixed by the Honourable Chief Justice of India for fixation of dates. An objection was raised by
Two objections.
I'll tell you the two objections. The first objection that was raised by Mr. Rajiv Dhawan was that
We're aware of the objection.
Aware of that. And on that ground, Mr. Lalit himself expressed his desire to opt out of the case.
Absolutely, but I understand all that with due respect and wisdom.
Be attributed to the court. It was a delay that was unfortunate, but
I'm not attributing it to the courts, but I do believe the anti-Mandir groups are once again winning. They have once again been successful in delaying the case hearing. What I'm asking you today very clearly is, do you think, okay, my last answer to you, last question to you here, sir. Do you think on the next date of the hearing, without any twist and turn, there will be a timeline set?
On the next date of hearing, I am confident that they will fix a date, in fact, a schedule for the hearing. Okay. And in fact, the Chief Justice noted that there were 30 trunks of documents which had been sealed and which are lying in a sealed condition. He has given directions to the registry of the Supreme Court to look into all these documents and to also find out whether proper translations of documents in different Indian languages are available for use of the court. So that will take its own time, and if you look at it, in fact, probably a day's time has been given to the registry to look into every trunk. So I'm confident that by that time the registry would be able to give its report and the court will be in a position to fix an early date of hearing. I'm sure the Chief Justice and his team realize the importance of this matter and they would do everything in their power to see that there's an expeditious hearing of this matter.
Thank you, Mr. Bose, for that.